Frustrated with the Openal.dll pop-up ruining your stream? I'm Sophie Chen, a Windows Systems Specialist, and I'll show you the professional way to patch your game files. Don't let Openal slow you down. The automated repair toolkit is available in the description. This DLL file is a legacy library for the Open Audio Library API. It provides applications with cross-platform 3D positional audio capabilities, essential for immersive sound environments in older Windows games and media apps. Since we've covered what this file is, let's move to the primary fix. This issue is commonly linked to missing graphics runtimes affecting the Openal DLL. Reinstall the Microsoft DirectX end-user runtime to restore legacy DirectX DLLs, then update your graphics drivers if the file is GPU-related. Should the file remain missing after a reinstall, we need to ensure that the operating system is forced to re-index its shared library paths. Performing a restart can determine if the error is just a transient environment glitch. A reboot refreshes your system's path variables and can sometimes re-establish a broken link to the Openal file. Bookmark this video or click the like button now so that you have a shortcut back to this guide after your PC finishes restarting. To ensure long-term stability, we should review the safety risks associated with unverified file sources. Please keep in mind that manual replacement of the Openal DLL carries a high operational risk. Using unverified files can cause irreparable damage to your Windows registry and lead to total system instability. Instead of relying solely on manual updates, you can maintain your system environment using a professional maintenance utility. If responsiveness issues occur, the system resource below references configuration considerations for the Openal. I'm Sophie Chen. If this engineering guide helped resolve the Openal dependency issues, consider subscribing so you have a trusted resource for future Windows troubleshooting.